Hello guys, welcome to Filament Daily. We continue our review of Filament Dashboard in the Cachet project by James Brook, and topic of today is dashboard widgets. This would be a pretty quick video. I want to emphasize that the dashboard is not just about metrics and charts and numbers, but also you can add any widget with any text like this or like this one, and this is done in two places by Cachet here. So in the panel provider, which is quite a complex structure, and you may take a look at that if you go to the source. So it's not admin panel provider, but it's still the same syntax and logic. We have discover widget here in the filament widgets, and they have three widgets here: components, overview, and support. An overview is a typical statistical stat make with numbers and colors and these things. But other two widgets are almost empty, it would feel like. So if you open components, this is the widget for components. And if we go to that blade file, it's just a static text of heading of component manager. That's it. And then the same thing happens with support. You may add, for example, on your dashboard text to support your project or contact yourself or something like that, like any static text. For example, HTML like this with div, h1, and tailwind classes. Please consider supporting Cachet on GitHub. And as an example of that, I want to show you how to generate such a widget easily. So you go PHP Artisan, make filament widget with whatever name, and choose custom without any resource. In this case, we have Cachet panel, which is in the vendor, but that's because of the structure of project. That filament project is inside of a bigger Cachet project, but it doesn't really matter in this case. We have widgets folder with new text widget, which looks like this. So all it has is the view, and if we refresh the dashboard now, we refresh and we have a new widget without anything but with the border. And now if we go to our text widget, by default it generates the structure, so it has to have widgets widget and then filament section, and then inside you may have whatever text you want, contact me at whatever email. We refresh and we have the text here. You may also do the same as Cachet in their other widgets. Column span full, let's copy and paste, and you may do more customizations in your widget. But my point here was that you may add static text on your dashboard and not only the metrics and the numbers. What do you think? Do you have any other examples of interesting widgets on the dashboard? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel to get other videos about Cachet dashboard and other filament examples. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.